Okay, we're back in the pump house today because it's cold outside still. Snow on the ground. The greenhouse did get up to about 50 degrees, but it's cold out there. On my setup here, I'm not really happy with it, so I'm going to change stuff around, take these lights down and put them on a platform where I can raise or lower them, and it just isn't working out. Plus I have more boards that I want to put up here, so I gotta move stuff around today. First thing we gotta do is we gotta shut this thing down. So we will unplug this. Alright. And then I can take it down. I find myself waiting for stuff. Sometimes it's, basic nothingness. It's just waiting for spring, waiting for the rain to stop, waiting for plants to grow up, waiting for my cuttings to root. It's just an endless, never-ending wait for everything. I get a little impatient sometimes, and I think that's what waiting is. It's just a learned patience. I don't think there's enough patience in the world left. People want to get their food fast. They don't want to wait for it. Go through the drive-thru, get my burger, eat it in my car. I don't want to wait for my coffee to be made. I want it just to drip when I get there so I can just pour myself a cup of coffee. There's never any patience anymore. I find myself waiting though a lot. And I think it's a normal thing. Oh, come on. You dirty dog. Oh, wrong one. We got it. Here's how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put a board across here. Put my board panel, this one. I think I'll screw it to the top here, and then run some up and down. I think that's what I will do. I think that's the strongest, best method of making it so it doesn't tip over and whatnot. And then I can raise and lower it, by moving some screws up and down. I think that's the best. So, got my panel here. I'm going to put this one up on top. So we will put this here. Put this here. Yeah. Alright. I think I'll go in the middle. So I'm going to put one right there. Where's my drill? One right here. And I'll move it forward. There, that's a good one. That's a good one. All right, tip it around. All right, see how the board sticks up a little bit outside of this one. That's what I was looking for. this down for a second. I wanted to show you these screws. I know I've gone over and over these screws before, and you guys are probably sick of it. It's got the nice little Torx head, but on the tip, I don't know if you guys can see that on the tip, it's got like a drill bit built into it, a little drill bit. That's why they bite so easy and go right in. You can get them different manufacturers. I'm not sponsored by anybody. There's stainless steel Torx head with the little cutout right there, like a drill bit. Man, I love them. It's a game changer for me. These little Torx screw bits they're fantastic, I think. All right, got a board here. I went ahead and put a board on the bottom just to hold it up straight, and I will screw in. Not sure the height though. Let's get a tape measure. All right, need the height to be, let's go 24 inches. So I get my pencil. I had one here. Never find what you want. 24 inches from the bottom. We'll just mark that. Put a screw through it. Yeah, that'll work. Alright. Right now, what I'm waiting for is spring. I'm waiting for the optimal time to start planting seeds. That's really what I'm next up for. How long do I have to wait? Oh, longer screw. Before I can start planting seeds. And sometimes I get a little impatient. I think we all do when it comes to gardening. You know, we want to get going. Tired of this snowy weather. You guys have snow. I got snow outside my backyard on my greenhouse. And sometimes, you know, it's just, I'm done with it. Done with the snow. Done with the cold. Supposed to get down to 16, 17 degrees next week. I don't mind it, you know, a couple of days here and there, but when it starts to move into 2-3 weeks, it's too much. I know a lot of you guys are like, 2-3 weeks? We have that for 2-3 months. Well, sorry. I'm not a fan. Not a fan of that cold weather. I use these little ones to start. It's like a drill bit, because these bigger ones, these are not stainless steel. These are exterior wood screws for whatever building project you're working on, but they don't have the nice little cutout drill bit like the stainless steel one, so that's why I use it as a starter. And then I don't have to go out and change bits into a drill bit. Yeah. Alright, so this is going to go this way, this is going to go this way, and we will put our 2-foot, see if I can do this without being stupid about it, my 2-foot line right on the top of this 2x4. Well, maybe not. Maybe we'll just go for the center. Buried that one. Oh, that's good. Alright. Now what we'll do is we will eyeball this one. You can see it's just a little stand. Come on. There. Okay. Now, which way does it go? This way. Okay. There. That's a little stand. That'll work. I love it. Plug it back in. That one's plugged in. Heat mat is plugged in. Alright. But yeah. So that's it for today. Thanks for coming along. Tomorrow we'll work on these boards. Put that wall up there. And maybe put some... I can't decide. Maybe put some aluminum foil. I spray these all the time with my water. And I don't want to have boards up here with water stains all over them because I haven't decided yet. You know, I guess you're just gonna have to wait and see. All right, you guys have a great day.